Hi, this is Kristen. I thought I would come on and give you a little more scoop about my tufting gun from Clawlab. I have truly loved using this gun. When I had looked at tufting before, some of the other guns seemed really big and a little overwhelming. But I have to say that this one is definitely user-friendly, easy to handle, and nice for a beginner, because I was trying to do letters, and I know you're going to say, what about, I thought that the fabric was supposed to go all the way to the ends and fit in the frame. Well, I am not always great with instructions, and sometimes I feel like I have to learn the hard way. So you can basically kind of pull tight enough to be able to get everything to work. Now, is this ideal? Absolutely not. So a word of warning, you should actually be using the frame appropriately, but I have to say, with a little bit of learning curve, this has been super duper fun.